7 reasons why plank exercise is good for your health. In recent years, bodyweight workout routines and calisthenics have become increasingly popular because they can effectively improve strength and a person's ability to move functionally. If you are aiming to have a strong and fit body, one of the best exercises that you can perform almost anywhere and without the need of any equipment is the plank exercise. Below are the top 7 reasons why this exercise is good for your health. 1. The plank exercise can burn calories. While many people believe that the only way to burn those excess calories is through cardio exercises, bodyweight exercises, such as the plank exercises, can yield similar results. For best results, it is recommended to perform 10 sets of 1-minute plank exercises every day. 2. The plank exercise will improve your core strength. The plank exercise works out all of your core muscles, which include everything from your shoulders to your glutes. Not only will planking help you get toned abs, but also stabilize your hips and shoulders, improve the shape of your obliques, make your glutes stronger, and improve your back muscles. When you improve your core muscles, you will be able to lift heavier items without getting injured, and be able to do complex movements with ease. 3. The plank exercise can help you maintain a better posture. Sitting all day can take a toll on your body posture. Furthermore, it can lead to weaker glutes, higher stress on your lower back muscles, tighter hip flexors, and rounded shoulders. As mentioned before, planking can lead to stronger core muscles, which will eventually make it easier for you to maintain a good posture and prevent back pain or injuries. 4. The plank exercise can make you more resistant to injuries. In relation to the earlier items mentioned, improving your core muscles through planking can lead to increased strength. When you are stronger, you will be able to lift heavy things easier, thereby preventing back injuries. Also, because it also works out your glutes, you will be less likely to experience hamstring pulls or tears while running or playing sports, which typically occur when you have weak glute muscles. 5. The plank exercise can increase your mobility. When you have weak abdominal muscles, your hip flexors will be burdened to maintain core stability and may eventually lead to tight hip flexors. Because planking can strengthen your abs, you will have improved hip mobility and perform squats, twists, and other simple or complex movements properly. 6. The plank exercise can improve your cardiovascular health. Because plank exercises require you to make your abdominal muscles tensed, your breathing will also be controlled. Because of this, you will get used to breathing while your abs are tensed and will make you more efficient when doing cardio. 7. The plank exercise can help you have a better mood. Just like other types of exercises, the plank exercise can relax your mind and help your body release endorphins, or your happy hormones. Furthermore, it can release the tension that you feel in several parts of your body that are constantly under stress due to your lifestyle, such as hip flexors that are under tension from sitting all day. Performing plank exercise can bring you a lot of health benefits, and the best thing about this is that you don't have to spend too much time. A 5-minute exercise every day will do. However, if you want to have a healthy and strong body, you shouldn't just rely on this exercise. You also have to work out the other parts of your body and maintain a healthy lifestyle and diet. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.